Good morning, everybody. This is Todd with the Forex Nitty Gritty Insiders Daily Video. Hope you're having a fabulous day today. We're coming to the end of another week in Forex trading, and hopefully you've found some opportunities to trade that have been profitable for you. I'm going to look at two things here, and then we're going to look at the longer-term charts today. First of all, the non-farm payroll came out, which was positive overall. And let's take a look here at the 1 minute charts, just kind of go through here. You can see that this was actually when it came out. Started to run up and then started to run down. And we had it move down pretty quickly, get choppy, and then reverse and all the way back and down and over and up. And as we look out a little bit further, here's a 15-minute time period. Get to where we need to go here on this. Yeah, yesterday. All right. So we had the big move down, which is right here. Move down and then complete reversal of that movement. We also had the US CAD have a big drop down. And you can see this range here. I mean, this is a huge move and hasn't quite come all the way back, but certainly working its way back up here. So, non-farm payroll, and this is unemployment in Canada also, dropping this pretty sharply. So when we trade during times of potential volatility, we have to be careful. We have to make sure that we're able to get out quickly. Once we get into it, if it decides not to move in the direction that we wanted it to. Also, looking at the longer term charts this week, and this is the daily chart, and we'll start up here at the euro dollar. You can see, let me get rid of my line there, that we had a pretty big, after a big move up here, pretty big day yesterday. This started to move down, starting to turn and come back up a little bit. We'll see how far that goes before the market ends today. But some pretty good upward momentum after and a pullback into that upward momentum. We kind of ran into some resistance up here, and so we'll see if this is able to continue or not. Here is the Aussie dollar, still in an overall strong uptrend. US Swiss franc is going to be inverse to the euro dollar. Here is the pound dollar, following the euro pretty close. Look at this US Japanese yen. We have a pretty strong consolidation happening here. Look for a breakout of that. And then last but not least, we've got the US CAD, which is selling off a little bit. So take some time this weekend to make sure that you understand the direction that things are headed for Monday. Look at your rules. Make sure you've got them down for entering into the trade. A couple things that you want to pay attention to. Let's write them down here. Is the deliberate movements that are happening. Is it deliberate or is it volatile? We want to look at trends, the direction that it's going, and last but not least, the resistance / support areas that are being created with the price action. And then understanding the entries by looking at the lowest low or the highest high of the last three. If you can do that, you'll be set, ready to go. Be careful with news. Make sure your position sizes are appropriate. And as we get closer to the weekend, look at slowing down on the number of trades that you're taking. All right, so if you have questions about anything, folks, just let me know. We'll get them answered for you. If not, have a great weekend, and we'll talk to everybody on Monday.